Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to stretch your dollars further and budget effectively on a low income, you're in the right place. Today we're going to break down some practical, easy to follow steps that will help you take control of your finances, even if you don't have a huge income. We'll talk about prioritizing your expenses, cutting back on non-essentials, and setting up a simple budget that works. Whether you're new to budgeting or just need some fresh tips, this video has something for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your numbers. First things first, you need to know your numbers. That means writing down exactly how much you bring in each month, whether it's from your job, side hustle, benefits, or anything else. Then, list out your non-negotiable expenses. Rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the things you have to pay every month. Step 2. Prioritize essentials. When money is tight, it's all about prioritizing the essentials. Think housing, food, medical needs. Cut back on the wants for now, not forever. Maybe meal prep instead of eating out. Consider taking public transport over using share services. It's about being smart and strategic. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Modify. You might have heard of the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests dividing your income into 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings. But on a low income, we might need to adjust it. Try something like 70% for needs, 20% for savings and debt repayment, 10% for want. If even that feels tough, it's okay. Start small. Even saving just $5 a week is progress. Step 4. Automate and track. Next up, automate and track your spending. Set up automatic transfers, even if it's just $5 a week into savings. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track where your money is going. Knowledge is power when it comes to budgeting. The more you know about your spending habits, the better decisions you can make. Step 5. Increase your income, if you can. Sometimes cutting back on spending isn't enough. If that's the case, think about how you can increase your income. Maybe there's a side hustle you can start, or maybe you can sell things you no longer need. It doesn't have to happen overnight, but taking small steps to earn more will help build a stronger financial foundation. Extra tips. Rapid fire. Here are a few extra tips. Cook meals at home to save on eating out. Buy in bulk whenever possible. Look into local community resources like food banks if needed. Avoid payday loans. They can trap you in a cycle of debt. And remember, don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Everyone's financial path is different. Budgeting on a low income isn't always easy, but it is doable. It's all about taking control of your money, making smart choices, and being patient with yourself. One step at a time, you'll get there. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more money tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest budget challenge? Stay smart and stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.